hope you're having a great day. So today, right now, is 30 degrees. And then in an hour or two, it's going to warm up and be above freezing. And then for the entire remainder of the week, I do not see that it dips below 36. That's the lowest it goes. So I think I'm going to try to take all of the stuff that I put in my truck yesterday. I'm going to drive it to the dump while it's still too cold. Get rid of that. I am going to maybe take and throw some boards on it to winch it down so nothing flies out. And I'll get rid of a little bit more of that fence. A little bit more at a time. I did water all of my seedlings in my basement today. And then later, I'm going to put my plants in the ground and maybe do some seed starting. I'm going to just see how far I can get. So hopefully I have a busy day and I get a lot of these plants out into their spot. And then pray for them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. Well, I replaced all the junk with something a lot prettier. It makes me nervous. My poor little babies. But I think I'm going to get to it. I think I'm going to do the anemone first because they're looking real sad. And I'm going to let the other ones just sit here and soak up the sun. And then I will get started. So I have no doubt that this is going to be a weed haven. It just will be. But I'm going to just dig a little trench, put my anemones in, and hope for the best for them. Maybe in future years I'll have a better solution. But I have it, so why not? Well, we will see how it goes. And I put them about 2 inches down and 3 inches apart. Best guess. Some of them might be closer to the top. Some of them might be buried a little bit more. I think I maybe had 200 or 300 anemones. So, and I still have some up by the chicken house. So we'll see how they do. I haven't done them before. This might be a huge mistake. I think it'll get really weedy. Raised beds are probably better. But I really didn't have any raised beds this year, and this was all tilled up, so I figured I would just try it. You never know. If it's a complete failure, I won't do it this way again. And if it works, then great. Okay, on to getting some Lisianthus and Snapdragons in the ground. Wow, those Lissies had huge roots on them. I think they were getting root bound, and I think that's why they were lighter green. And I also noticed that the soil was really wet, and I hadn't even watered them for 3 days. So it just goes to show, like, my basement is a lot different than the house out here as far as even how much I have to water things. I did not get, I was too ambitious again. I did not get even all my Lisianthus planted. And I have 2 trays of Lisianthus left. So with the anemone and the Lisianthus, I would say I planted around 800 plants today. So not too bad because I didn't get started until later. But I really hope that with the rain tomorrow and the rain this week, these really settle in and do okay. Normally I would water them, but they were really wet and have been really wet for a long time, and it's gonna rain tomorrow. So I kind of thought maybe it'd be good to just give them a break from so much water. I might regret that, I don't know, we'll see. And I bet the other 2 trays of Lizzie, I don't know when I'll get them planted. Maybe in a couple days I can get out here and get those planted. But I still have quite a few plants to take back inside with me, but the truck is not as full. So it was a good day. I think I got a lot done. So as soon as I can get out here, I'm going to get the rest of these in the ground, and I'll probably start bringing out some more trays to start hardening off once the weather quits raining. I mean, I can't really harden them off when it's raining outside all the time. So maybe by the end of this weekend, I can do that. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.